Time is a lie. In the world outside, they rush. They produce, they consume. Here, time is my primary pigment. And at the same time, seems not exist. 140 hours for a painting? Some call it madness. My mind calls it liberation. My autism is not a wall between me and the world. It is a portal. In this silence, I vibrate on another scale of life. I follow the path of the old masters. No direct color, only layer of light. "10, 20, 30 glasses. Like a cathedral's window, the light must travel through the layer to find its soul and the magical way. I don't paint to decorate. I paint to heal the void. Every archangel, every flame is a trace of a deeper connection. This is my devotion, a way to heal the void and to face the chains of an ordinary life. I paint to capture the vibration of the divine before it fades. A prayer, a connection for those who, like me, feel the weight of this world and need to feel spiritual essence. My name is Aezadiel. I am an alchemist of shadow. I bring light. I bring light from the darkness. You will be able to see it in each of my works, whether hidden or shown to all. Sacred art is not die. I work with my soul, reflection, patience. The beauty, even if it is subjective, have an important place in my fine artwork. I paint this sacred aspect to see a trace of it in our world and to make us feel this connection directly, here and now. If you seek the truth behind the veil, welcome home.